And then the structures inside the femoral triangle, you have the femoral vein, then femoral artery, and then femoral nerve. And if you are going to remove the sartorius, you have the subsartorial canal or adductor canal. And the structures inside, still the same. Supposedly, continue gyapon na siya sa femoral vein. Then you have the femoral artery, then you have the femoral nerve. And then this part here is already your adductor hiatus. Okay, adductor hiatus. We are going to remove the rectus femoris. So you have there this one. Can you see that? The lateral femoral circumflex. Lateral femoral circumflex. And then these two are branches of your profunda femoris. Okay, so since di man siya clear, end na ba ni sa ika-third second, so we would just name these as your perforating artery. Okay, kaya di man siya clear kung ikapila na siya. So perforating artery. So at the leg, sa level sa leg, you're going to remove the extensor digitorum. So you have there the anterior tibial artery, and then together with the anterior tibial is your deep peroneal nerve. Then the yellow structure on the lateral side of the leg is your superficial peroneal nerve. So at the back, sa gluteal area, you have there the superior gluteal artery, and then you have the inferior gluteal artery. Then the yellow structure below the piriformis is your sciatic nerve. Okay, sciatic nerve. And then this artery going towards the femoral head is a continuation of your lateral femoral circumflex. Okay, tuyok mo na sa yung lateral femoral circumflex. Okay, and then do not include this one. So, at the lower third of the thigh, the sciatic nerve would divide into two branches. You have the tibial nerve, and you have the common peroneal nerve. This portion here is already your popliteal fossa. So, the structures inside the popliteal fossa, you have the popliteal vein, the tibial nerve, and then the popliteal artery. Okay, the popliteal artery. So the branches of the popliteal artery, this one, this one, this one, this one, do not include na lang. Okay? So below, same gihapon na structures. Below the popliteus muscle, the popliteal artery is expected to divide into two. Yeah, since this branch is di man siya clear, ipadung man siya sideways, instead of going pa anterior, so we will not name this one. So we will only name this one, the posterior tibial artery. Okay, below the popliteus muscle, you call that the posterior tibial artery. Then the largest branch of the posterior tibial artery is your peroneal artery. Okay, this one, peroneal artery.